Guys, October 7th, 2024. Here I gotta go do a burner service for a lady. I guess her husband used to call me, but he has passed, so now she's taking over the reins and figuring stuff out, and call me and see if I can go over there and make sure it's working okay. A lot of these I do every year, and you know, I go over there and they're running clean and lean, and I change a nozzle and a filter. I mean, if they need to be brushed down, or you know, I do what I have to do over there. A lot of these guys will make these comments, oh my god, that's not a burner cleaning. Half these fucking guys don't even know what they're talking about. They don't have no clue. I mean, what am I gonna do? Go over there and brush the thing down when it don't need it, and it just waste extra time for no reason? I mean, I do what I have to do. If there's an issue, you know, the thing gets full of soot or something, I go there and take it apart, brush it down. It's a filthy, nasty job. If it's running clean and it's not building up soot, it won't be an issue. I get a kick out of some of these comments. Everybody's a know-it-all, Molly. Yeah. Everybody's a flippin' know-it-all. They don't know shit. They know enough to be dangerous. That's about it. Wow. Been a while. Hopefully it's not all full of soot. These things get full of soot, you're in big trouble. A new tank. That was loose. That's probably what's been leaking. It's as loose as it goes. Yeah, a filter here, so we'll use that up, I guess. Ain't too bad. We'll change it. Gasket's usually pretty good. Usually not an issue. air out. Here it comes. Here comes the oil. Make sure that's tight. Very good. Alright, still got the power off. I gotta change this nozzle. This one's got a little sight glass in there. Not really the greatest burner. It looks pretty clean in there. That's good. One thing about the furnaces, they don't run that much. They don't run as much as a burner boiler. It's already been marked. Definitely a little crusty in there. It looks pretty clean. I don't see any black in this. If it was running shitty, it'd be all black. Clean that shit right up. Carburetor cleaner. I thought I was here last year, but according to the paper, I wasn't. Put a new nozzle in there and no filter. Let it rip. That's pretty clean there. That's good. That's probably a little 75 in there, I bet you. That's a 75. 75, 70. That one's okay too. Just 5/16. A little plug right there. Put a jumper right on TT. When I hit this, it should fire. Alright, that filter doesn't seem to be leaking. There's a little bit of oil that's in the bottom of that bucket, but that's been there. No filter at tank, no nozzle, clean burner head. I did remove that gasket out of there.